Hi, hi. Good morning. This is Amjad Rahman. Originally, I belong to Bada Sumera. Today, we are going to have a nice conversations over Chinese products, boycott of Chinese product.
Hi everyone, this is GK Yadav from Sumera Muzaffarpur. As he mentioned that today we are going to have a discussion. Can we boycott Chinese products or not? So, my dear viewers, this talk is based on for the betterment of our communication skill. It is not based to provide information and knowledge for you. So if we provide any wrong data information, try to excuse us, because we are doing this conversation for the betterment of our intonation and language improvements. So my dear friends, viewers, seniors and juniors, please be with us and enjoy yourself with our talk. That's all. Thank you. Every Indian wants to boycott Chinese products, but is it possible to boycott Chinese products without the nod of the government? If government does not want to boycott the products, Indian people can boycott the products of China or not. So we are going to have a discussion on it, and we will come to know what are the criteria by which the products of China can be boycotted by the world as well as in India. So Ikhlaq.
So, as my perspective is, it is not feasible in our country. If we just see the data, most of the data is related to China. If we just see the products, most of the products related to China. Even the 70% of the products which are being used by Indian people belongs to China. So it is not feasible to just direct boycott the Chinese product. It will take time, but I hope in the future this will be figured out very soon. If we just take example of electronic devices, what are the electronic devices we are being by the Indian people that belong to Chinese products? If we just see the electrical devices, if we just see the plastic, if we just see the any other products which are very cheaper than Indian products. So it's not feasible to just boycott the Chinese product at one time, at one attempt. It will take time.
So that means instantly it cannot be boycotted. In future it can be boycotted with good strategy. So why, I would like to ask you some, do you know what are the basic traits of China and what are the monopolies of Chinese company in India, and why a lots of Chinese products not in India but also in entire world? You can see wherever you go in the world, you will see the world is full of Chinese products. Understand? Because do you know why China is competent to produce and manufacture its product on larger scale, and it also exports its product in many countries of the world? Do you know what is the basic why India does not
there is a great reason behind this. If we just see the product of Chinese is very cheaper than any other country's products. If we just see the reason behind this, we cannot guess the reason, because there is no democracy in the China. How we can judge, how we can guess what the China is doing for the country?
Right. You talked about there is no democracy in China. There is a dictatorship, Chinese Communist Party. So do you know what is an interesting thing here? Because there is no democracy in China, that's why Chinese companies are able to make clones of the world. Suppose China is one of the, I'm talking about tactful country of the world which is always ready to steal IT. I'm talking about IP, that is intellectual property. Intellectual property, might have studied about intellectual property. That means you raised a democracy matter. If somebody copies some products of America and India, Americans companies have option to go to the Indian courts.
Yes.
Okay, and then this matter will be decided in Indian court. But when your intellectual property is being copied by Chinese companies, then you can't go
anywhere.
You can't go anywhere, because there is no provision for the solution of this kind of activity in China, because Chinese companies are being promoted by the Communist Party of China. The people of China are not responsible here. Only the one party, dictatorship party, Communist Party is responsible, because it is always ready to promote its companies and its product, understand, to the world. That's why they are uplifting a lot.
But there is a reason in this. If there is no democracy, how we can say that the person who belongs to China is very happy? Most of the times I observed that the company which are being run in our country, which belongs to the Communist Party, there is a great influence over the Communist Party. That's why the company is coming out of the out of their countries. I'm talking about out of this China, those companies who are being installed and being established out of the India, you can say the America, France, they belong to the Communist Party. Their leader belongs to the Communist Party. That's not good for the country as well as out of the countries too, because in which way the China is uplifting, in which way the China is increasing the product in a cheap way. So how we can just realize our domestic product. Our domestic product is being gone down related to the because of the Chinese products, because the Chinese products which are being used by us, is very cheap. In this condition. If we use our domestic products, we will be harmed. We will be given we have to give a higher amount comparison to the Chinese products. So this is also a reason our government must create and manufacture such types of devices, such types of products.
Yes, I got this monopoly is possible. You are talking about Chinese products are cheaper than Indian products in India. So it is possible. Only the India is not facing this problem. The entire world is facing this problem.
The entire world is trying to get rid of this problem.
What is the reason China is doing monopoly in its products? Because it has a dumping system. You know,
Yes.
dumping is to suppose China produce a lot of electronic gadgets. India also produce electronic gadgets, but China provides the same quality, better quality electronic gadgets at cheaper rate. Understand?
They have potential.
So
They have products.
in the beginning, they provide a lot of products. That means unlimited products. If China produce a lot of production in India at the very low level, definitely the local business of India will be down.
Yes.
And after 2 or 3 years, the local business of India will entirely be damaged. And then China will have to promote its products rapidly in Indian market, and Indian people will have no option to see about and to think about another product for the same quality.
Yes.
So China has a big strategy in dumping system also. It's dump means कचरे की तरफ फेंक देना in a country. Everywhere you will see the same product of China, and you will not think about the another products of another country. Understand? The same quality products.
Because of the price, that's why we are using the products of China. Otherwise, we can't use the product of China. And we just take the instant action regarding the Chinese. We cannot handle the problem are coming to us, because if we just boycott the product of Chinese at one attempt, so we have to face the problems. Because if we just see the trade between India and China, according to the data in these years, let's say just take example, if we just send one product to the Chinese company sends 7 times product to the India. So
1:7. If India exports one thing, China
Exports
7.
Yes.
But right, of course, I have already told you, China does not disturb India with its products, but entire world is being disturbed by China.
But entire world is raising question. In UN. If we just take example of the Beijing, I'm talking about the COVID-19. Even the India didn't raise his questions regarding the COVID-19 at UN. If we just take example of the Uyghur cases, India didn't raise the question regarding the Uyghur cases. Many of the countries raised the questions at UN, but why India is not raising the questions regarding the Chinese advocacy?
Advocacy we are talking about Chinese advocacy, because we have already discussed about there is no democracy. That's why we can't get the correct and actual information from the China.
Yes, but we must raise the questions. If you are problem,
you
we must raise the questions. If the India has a problem regarding the China, India must raise the question.
Of course, India is raising. India has raised a lot of questions. Understand? And lots of, I'm talking about textual question which has been textual matter which has been raised by China for the world. India has raised, but since there is democracy in India, in Indian government, because if Indian government does not provide information, maybe the information can be collected by some other source. But from the China, if Chinese government does not provide you information, you can't get real and actual source from another sources from the China. We are discussing about, is it possible to boycott Chinese products by the people of our country? Is it possible?
Is it not feasible to boycott the product of China?
Because the Chinese products are cheaper, understand,
Yes.
and they are also in good quality.
Also, we have been facing the deficit problem for a long time.
Deficit problem for a long time, and also many businessmen of our country are interconnected with the businessmen of China.
Yes.
And China is the master of intellectual property,
Yes,
keeping understand, and it is also the master of dumping its
But
product.
we have just taken our first steps to cancel the project of Delhi Railway. The 4,71 crore project was cancelled. Cancelled
It
off by
it
the
was cancelled. Maybe I have not got authentic report. You are
Yes.
talking about the corridor,
Corridor.
corridor.
Yes.
So Indian companies are not able to
They are
provide
able-
the
they-
requirement. What do you think about the?
They are able, but they are
statue
able,
of Sardar
but-
Vallabhbhai Patel.
Yes.
A statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. That time also it was a Doklam problem, and we Indian people were shouting against the Chinese products. We must boycott Chinese products. And for your kind information, you know, if there is 100 production of China, if there is 100 production in China in one day, that means China produce 100 things in one day.
Yes.
Out of 100, it sends only 4%, 4
Yes.
in India.
Yes.
Out of 194 things are being exported in another country. So, and India also exports more than 2 and 3% of its entire production. So, if China stops sending its product in India, China cannot be harassed a lot. And everybody knows India is a big market for entire world, not for the China. Okay, so
But it is not possible if the India just stop of its product to send the China. Then definitely the China will stop its product to send his.
there will be big, I'm talking about big harassment for Indian economy.
Yes.
Maybe China will be less harassed than India, because India is not dependable country in terms of producing its.
Now, I have one question. Whenever the Chinese army attack the Indian armies, how we raise these questions? We should not boycott the Chinese product. Why not? We should take revenge.
We should take the, your nice question, but let me tell you, you are talking about why we should not
Why
we should not
take revenge?
revenge, why do we not betray?
Yes.
Betray not. What is the meaning of jawab dena?
Answer back.
Answer back.
Back.
Indian soldiers are not answering back, and they are not
Confrontation.
they don't want to they don't want to go for confrontation, because what is not the solution of
Yes, of
anything?
course, this is
Because of COVID-19, the government is not thinking about the education, health, and poverty. Because of this COVID-19, Indian government is not thinking about the education. Education is not the priority of Indian government. Health is a little bit priority of Indian government. Understand? And the basic development is not the priority of the Indian government. So if there will be war in coming days, then these basic needs of the Indian people will be far back. Government will have to think only how to win the war, how to tackle the problems which are being raised by China. So war is not the solution. The government will have to go for diplomacy. The government will have to take other countries of the world which are being disturbed by China. America is also being disturbed. You know, there is YouTube in the world, there is Facebook in the world, there is WhatsApp in the world, there is Amazon in the world, but in China there is no Facebook, there is no YouTube, there is no WhatsApp, there is no Amazon. On the place of, I'm talking about YouTube, there is Youku in China.
Yes.
There is, on the place of Amazon, there is Alibaba Group in China. On the place of Google, there is Baidu. On the place of Facebook, there is Weibo. So China promotes its production out of its country, but it does not let another social media network enter in its country, because there is no YouTube here. So that's why if there is no YouTube, Chinese people are not making videos like us on YouTube. So we are not able to figure out what are the condition of Chinese people and what is the condition of China. So China, we have already discussed about the intellectual property theft. China, if there is a group of Chinese people who produce things, whether they do to produce or not, but when you see, I will have to get produced these things by you, they will say, okay, we can product. At first, they will see the things and they will open the things and they will learn, study how it has been manufactured, and they will manufacture you. They will manufacture a lots of production for you, and they will do their work completely. So that's why China is uplifting a lot. And you raised war is not the solution, because
Now I'm talking about not a war. I'm just talking
we're
about
talking
the
about
hit back.
hit back revenge. India,
Yes.
that's why India, the Indian soldiers are not completely surrendering themselves. They are fighting. They are standing against the people about the Chinese Communist Army here. That's why our 20 soldiers have been martyred. They died to protect the border of our country. So soldiers are not coming back. They are standing rigidly there. They are standing. I'm talking about constantly. They are always ready to protect our country. But the matter comes about the monopoly of China. The China does not want to talk in peaceful environment.
But they want talk.
They have talked, but they have not gone back because they want to stop the road which is being constructed by the Indian Army.
It has already been constructed.
It has already been constructed.
Over the river.
But they want that it should be stopped. This project must not be continued by the Indian Army. That's one.
Yes.
So directly, war is not good for China, not for India. Understand?
No.
Because if these two countries are engaging in war, only the war will not be between the two countries. It will be among the many countries.
Yes.
India will have to go for the diplomacy because of this intellectual property theft. America is in loss every year. $100,000, lakhs of dollars. America loses every year. Britain, UK, understand? Australia, many countries are being destroyed because of the Chinese monopoly production companies. So India will have to take this country into grant, and then they will have to oppose together. Then there will be solution to boycott the China. And the matter comes about the people. हमारे देश के लोग they want to boycott Chinese products, but I want to tell you, if the things are available in the market, people will definitely buy it. If there is no things manufactured by Chinese company, made by China in India,
Problem will come to us. Problem will come to us.
We can bear out the problem, but we will not purchase it. If things are available, if we have options, then we are thinking about that.
Up to what extent we can bear? We cannot bear. If we just take example of the electronic devices, I'm talking about I'm talking about this electronic devices. We cannot create, we cannot generate. Even the government doesn't create and manufacture this. How we can just bear this in place of what we can use? Nothing we have.
Yes.
We cannot use anything in place of this, and in a cheap price, we cannot bring such types of electronic device in place of this. So we have to face the problem. At first, government must create company must create manufacturing.
Yeah.
Then we can.
I got you are talking about if we don't have alternative,
Yes,
if we don't have options, if
yes.
we want to purchase electronic gadget,
Yes.
and apart from China, made in China, there is no availability in India. That means made in China product is available, but I want to take.
Yes.
But made in America, made in USA, made in Germany, made in India is not available.
Made.
So what is the tactic here? Government will have to go for the tactic. Government will have to adopt a tactic by which government will have to take a
Do you think this government will create such types of companies, such types of solutions?
Companies and production houses cannot be created within a night.
So how we can just until when we can just
only one solution. The countries which are being disturbed by this activity of the China, they will have to come together and they will have to raise quotient together so that Chinese monopoly can be wiped out by the country. Otherwise, India cannot do alone, because India, as per my knowledge, I'm not blaming our country and the production department that India is not able to produce a large scale things on large scale. But it is reality that we have lackness of production. We can't produce the things which are being produced by Chinese company, because Chinese companies are better than the companies of our country in many ways. I'm not talking about. If you talk about electronic gadgets, mobile phones, understand?
Yes.
The quality of mobile phones at a very low rate we are purchasing from the China. We can't imagine it can be produced by Indian companies at the same amount. India can produce, but the cost of the same quality will be very high. So we don't have option. And India is a developing country, not a developed country. Many things are still to be developed. You know, if you talk about the infrastructure, in technology, in networking also, in construction department, steel, weather. So India will have to take every country which is being destroyed by China into grant, and then they should come together and oppose them. Then the solution can be bought it. And I want to tell you to my viewers through this video, we can't boycott the Chinese products because we don't have option. Understand? We as much as we can
Yes.
think we should not purchase Chinese products. If we are capable, अगर हम लायक है तो we can't purchase, हम नहीं खरीद सकते. It is good. ये अच्छी है, we should not purchase. But when we don't have options, understand, then definitely we will have to go for Chinese product. Is there no option for that? So if there is no availability of Chinese products, we will have compulsion not to purchase. अगर सामान होंगे ही नहीं तो हम खरीदेंगे ही नहीं. सामान होंगे तो obviously भी खरीदेंगे, because we are not the policy maker. Policy makers have been handled by the government. So government will have to think how the Chinese products should not be entered in India.